Good morning, everyone. My name is Sonia Andrango. I am talking about the health. Health is the most important thing in the world. Health makes it possible for us to live, love, and love. It includes two aspects. First, physical health, and secondly, mental health. To keep physical healthy, first of all, we should have a balanced diet. Eat more vegetables and fruits, which are full of vitamins. We should also eat meat, which provides us protein. Try to avoid junk food. Also, regular physical exercise that's good to our health. Sports like jogging and swimming help keep us healthy and happy. Bear in mind that a certain amount of exercise is not a waste of time. What's more, we have to get rid of the bad habits that damage our health, such as smoking, drinking, and staying up late. Develop some healthy habits such as going to bed early and rising early. Enough time for sleep will help become rested and refreshed. There are many ways to help achieve mental health. First, we should have a positive attitude towards life. When we come across difficulties and setbacks, we should not to be frustrated. Stay optimistic and brave. Secondly, we should get along with our classmates, teachers, and parents. They help us a lot. They are our treasures. Without them, nothing seems enjoyable. Finally, know how to lower your level of stress. Stress can encourage us to make progress, but also may influence our life negatively. Relax yourself and always look on the bright side of life. Physical health is equally important as well as mental health. Follow these suggestions and you will become a healthy person. Thank you so much. Have a good day.